Throughout human history, pandemics have left deep scars, not just on bodies, but on societies. COVID-19 wasn't the first, and it certainly won't be the last. So, why do pandemics happen? As human populations grow, we increasingly invade wild ecosystems. We cut down forests, expand cities, and build farms where rainforests used to be. When humans and wild animals live side by side, viruses that were once isolated in nature gain a bridge into our world. This is called a zoonotic spillover, when a virus jumps from animals to humans. SARS, MERS, Ebola, and COVID all followed this same pattern. But that's not the only reason. Globalization accelerates the spread. Modern travel makes it possible for a person infected in one part of the world to spread a virus to another continent in less than 36 hours. Dense cities, crowded markets, and poor sanitation amplify the risk even more. Climate change is another multiplier. As temperatures rise, the range of disease-carrying animals like mosquitoes expands. Viruses that once stayed in tropical zones are now moving into temperate regions. In short, pandemics aren't accidents. They're the natural result of how we live, how we move, and how we treat the planet. But the next big question is, when will the next pandemic happen? We don't know exactly, but history gives us a hint. In the past century, major global pandemics have appeared roughly every 30 to 40 years. 1918, Spanish flu. 1957, Asian flu. 1968, Hong Kong flu. 2009, H1N1 2020, COVID-19. And now, with a growing population, higher mobility, and a warmer climate, the window between outbreaks is shrinking. The World Health Organization has even named this unknown threat, Disease X, a future pathogen that could emerge suddenly and spread rapidly. Are we prepared? COVID-19 showed us what's possible. Within months, scientists decoded the virus's genetic material. mRNA vaccine technology was deployed at unprecedented speed. It was a scientific triumph. But it still came too late for millions, because scientific progress alone isn't enough. We also need strong public health systems, fast response coordination, and international solidarity. So what can we do to prepare? We can build early warning systems, networks of data, and AI that detect outbreaks before they spread. We can invest in hospitals, protective equipment, and rapid vaccine development. We can reduce deforestation, regulate animal markets, and tackle misinformation. We can't prevent every outbreak, but we can make sure they don't turn into global disasters. And individually, small actions matter more than we think. Stay home when you're sick. Wash your hands. Wear a mask in crowded places. Trust science, not conspiracy. COVID-19 wasn't just a health crisis, it was a warning. Nature is telling us to slow down, to listen, and to change. The next pandemic is not a question of if, but when. The only question left is, will we be ready?